Hi, I'm Kong Pop from 1104 and I'll be talking about static energy today. Let's talk about the electric charge first. Here are some vocabulary for the electric charge. Electrostatics is the study of electric charges. Neutral is the state when the amount of negative charges and the number of positive charges are balanced. An insulator is a material that won't allow charges to move through it easily, while a conductor is a material that will allow charges to move through it easily. Here are some of the essential questions. The first one, how can you demonstrate the charged objects exert forces, both attractive and repulsive? The answer to that is just by using a magnet for attracting opposite poles and for repulsive like poles. How do we know that charging is the separation, not the creation of electric charges? Because the charge is conserved. It is the transferring of an electron, resulting in a net positive or negative charge. Now what are the difference between a conductors and insulators? A conductor, as stated earlier, will allow charges to move through it easily, while the insulator won't. Wow, let's talk about the experiment. I know you've been familiar with the hair and balloon experiment, so I'll be explaining it to you. When you wrap your balloon or a rubber material to your hair, the electron charge or the negative charge will transfer from your hair to your balloon, thus making the hair a positive net charge and a balloon a net negative charge. When you put your balloon on top of your head, the balloon will attract the positive charge, pulling your hair against the gravity. That's the result of the experiment. Now let's talk about the electrostatic force. Here is the formula and the unit for the electrostatic force. Force is equal to K multiplied by QA, QB and divided by R squared. For the unit, we'll be using Coulomb as the unit of charge. Electroscope. Electroscope is sensitive and useful for determining an electric charge. Charging by conduction is when you charge a natural body by touching it with a charged body, while charging by induction, on the other hand, is the process of charging a neutral object by bringing a charge near. Grounding is the process of removing excess charge by connecting an object to the earth. And Coulomb's law is the magnitude of a force between 2-point charge, while Coulomb's is just the unit of the charge represented by C. Elementary charge is the magnitude of the charge of an electron. Here's the set of essential question. How does the electrostatic force depend on the distance between charges? The answer to that is the electrostatic force depends on the distance of charge because the force will be stronger when they are closer. How can you charge an object by conduction and induction? Charging a neutral body by touching a very charged body is called conduction, while charging an object by bringing an charged object near is called induction. What is Coulomb's law and how is it used? Well, we use the Coulomb's law to find a magnitude force between 2 points. Here's the problems. At what distance would representative repulsive force between two electrons have a magnitude of 2 Newton? Well, the solution for that is just use the formula I showed you earlier and plug in the number. If you plug in the number correctly, the answer will be 1.1 multiplied by 10 to the power of negative 14 meter. Thank you.